are getting a good storm right now. The water is rushing down the street. We got a little river going on. It's pooling in our flower beds. Oh, that's crazy. What do you think, Ruben? Ruben, what do you think? What do you think? Woohoo! You like the thunder? You like the thunder? Yeah? He's like, wee. But yeah, it's been like nonstop thundering and just, wow, just crazy out there. Nice. It's been a while since I've heard this sound. We have a tornado warning. There is a radar indicated tornado to the east of me. It's getting a little scary. We're keeping our eyes open, but there's a rainbow. Wow. Was not expecting this today.